The internet is full of distractions, and Reader extensions are here to help. Reader extensions remove all the hyperlinks, banners and ads to give you a plain reading experience. We've decided to test out the 4 of the most popular Reader extensions for Chrome and give you our verdict on the best one. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and this is We Review 4 Best Reader Extensions for Chrome. The internet is a simultaneously informative and distracting place, replete with information but also with 1,000 panes, links, sidebars and banners that try to pull you away from what you're reading at any given moment. A Reader extension helps you keep focused by removing all the extraneous bits and just leaving you with the stuff you're actually reading. These extensions also let you change font sizes, styles and backgrounds in some cases for optimized reading. They're very handy, so we've decided to test 4 of the best Reader extensions for Google Chrome and tell you just how good they really are. Reader View. Starting out our list of best Reader extensions for Chrome is Reader View, an elegant Chrome extension that converts web pages into formal newspaper-style format. All banners disappear, replaced by an amber background, small images and a pane of options on the right-hand side. Personally, I found the default font size to be a bit on the small side, but that can quickly be fixed using the text size icon in the sidebar. You can also view the page in full screen to really get rid of those distractions, seamlessly edit and get rid of images altogether. There are several preset light and dark themes and a pretty granular level of control that few other apps can offer. We give Reader View a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5. Mercury Reader. Mercury Reader keeps things very simple, which is both its strength and its undoing. Again, it's just a case of one click to convert a web page to the Reader format. The problem is that the default Reader format here is a little bit inconsistent. While Make Tech Easier articles look great in Mercury Reader, the same can't be said of Wikipedia, where the formatting goes a little bit, shall we say, crazy. There are some options you can twiddle by clicking the settings cog at the top right corner of the page, but there are only 3 of them. So you can change between 3 font sizes, 2 typefaces and enable a dark mode, which is the standout feature here. The option to send articles to Kindle is pretty cool too, if a little niche. The rating we give for Mercury Reader is 3 stars out of 5. Just Read. From the simplest Reader extension to the most complex and malleable, Just Read offers yet another twist on how to read websites. The default formats look good enough on Make Tech Easier and Wikipedia, if a little messy on the latter, but the real magic is in the level of customization. In the Just Read settings, you can switch the theme to dark easily enough, but you also have complete control over font size and the width of the reading pane, as well as the colours of just about every on-screen element. So if you, like me, want to change the default white background to a gentler yellowish tint or any other tint, then you can. Then, when you're done, you can save your bespoke reader style for next time. Our rating for Just Read is 4 stars out of 5. Distill, Chrome's secret reader mode. Chrome actually has a built-in reader mode which you can access by going to chrome://flags, then typing reader mode into the flags search box. Relaunch Chrome after enable it and it'll be right there. Alternatively, you can get the Distill Reader extension, which is based off that same reader mode. It's a very good reader mode, with its default format being arguably the best of the bunch. Admittedly, on Wikipedia it simply admits the side pane information instead of trying to convert it, which means it's not perfect, but it still looks very good. In the options, you can switch to an off-white or fully dark mode, as well as pick from several font types and sizes. It's very good, and the fact that it's integrated into Chrome is a nice bonus. Our rating for Distill, 4 stars out of 5. Did you know that you can also now seamlessly use Chrome extensions in Microsoft Edge? We have the guide to show you how, link in the description. Also check out a more general list of the best Chrome extensions out there today, also links in the description. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.